How to frame a door. You'll need to know how to frame a door before it's installed to guarantee that it fits properly and to make the door installation easy. Our door experts will show you how to frame a door, which is an easy DIY project. A door frame is an important component of a door that helps support it and allows it to open and close. It is generally buried within the wall. A door frame may not appear to be much on the surface, yet it contains numerous important components with which you should get familiar. Most of the components of a door frame are concealed behind walls and tucked into the door's side. The following are the sections that make up a standard door frame. Header. The uppermost component of the frame is made up of a piece of wood. Top jamb or head jamb. A horizontally oriented wooden board that runs along the top edge of the frame. Jambs. Two pieces of wood on a door's sides and the door's top. Sill. The horizontally running section of the door that is attached to the floor at the threshold. Casing. A component that is fastened to the wall and jambs to conceal gaps behind the wall. Stops. Little components fitted to prevent a door from opening in the wrong direction. To frame a door, you'll need the following. Level. Lumber, 2x4s. Measuring tape. Saw/circular saw. Nails. Nail gun/hammer. You'll need to know the dimensions of the door you're planning to install to make the proper door frame. Using a measuring tape, determine the width and height of your new door. Then, add 2 inches to the width and 12 inches to the height. These are the measurements you will need to build your door frame. Construction of door frame. Begin by using a saw or circular saw to cut a top plate as wide as the rough door opening. Nail the top plate to the joists in the ceiling. Make a sole plate the same size as the rough opening. Attach it to the floorboards, but not between the width of the door, as you will be removing a section later. Between the top plate and the sole plate, cut 4 pieces of wood the length of the top plate. Your king studs will be these. Nail 2 king studs to the rough opening sidewalls and between the plates. Install 2 more with a width equal to the new door's width plus 5 inches. After that, cut 2 pieces of wood for the jack studs. Make sure to add 1.5 inches to the current new door's height. The jack studs will be attached to the 2 inner king studs with nails. Make a header by nailing 2 pieces of wood the same width as the jack studs together. After that, nail the header to the jack studs. Then, depending on the width of the top plate and header, cut 1 or 2 cripple studs. Fix crippled studs in place with nails. With a saw, cut the sole plate between the jack studs. Your new door frame is now ready to be installed. Green Eco Solutions. Offering energy-efficient windows, roofing, doors, and siding. Call 1-570-994-1108 for a free quote. Go to www.greenecosolutions.com for a free online instant estimate.